Today we'll be learning how to use an ad code given to you by a professor. First things first, you'll need to log into your single sign-on portal. Next, hit the Student Services tile, and it'll take you to the Student Services page where you will go to Registration, Register for Classes, select the current term, and hit Continue. Enter your CRN, add to summary, and then you'll be prompted to enter the ad code given to you by your professor. You'll just come right over here where it says authorization code and type that in. Hit confirm, and then you are ready to hit submit and register in the class, and you'll see that your status went from pending to registered. Once you see that you're registered, you're all good to go. Hope this helps.